Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O is the application name. Earlier, this application name is Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012. This is the earlier application AX 2012. Nowadays, it is Dynamics 365 F&O. F&O means finance and operation. Finance and operations. This is from Microsoft. From Microsoft, there is some other ERPs also. CRM. Earlier it is CRM. Nowadays it is CE, customer engagement. And there are some more applications also. Business Central. Earlier it is Navision. Nowadays it is Business Central. Like that, there are many ERPs are there. Around 5 to 6 ERPs are from Microsoft. But the fastest growing product is Microsoft Dynamics F&O and one more product CE, customer engagement. Earlier this is CRM. Earlier name is old name is CRM. Nowadays it is CE, and this is old name is AX. Okay, what is this means? It is an ERP. It is an ERP. Just like in SAP, we have in the market there is SAP, Oracle Apps, Tally, Wings, Focus, PeopleSoft. There are many ERPs are there. Dynamics AX is also one ERP and fastest growing ERP in the market. There is a huge requirements in the market. So if you want to learn this ERP, what are the skills required and what is the qualification required to learn this one? To learn this application, 10th standard is enough. 10th knowledge, your 10th knowledge is enough to learn application. If you want to get a job, definitely you need to have any degree. Otherwise, you will not get opportunity to attend interview. At least any degree, it may be a bachelor's degree like a BCom, BSc, BA, or anything, BCom commerce, BCom computers, or BTech, or MCA, MBA. Any qualification is required to get a job. If you want to get a job, definitely a qualification is required. But if you want to learn this application, your 10th knowledge is enough. Then what are the knowledges it is required to learn this one? One is domain knowledge or functional knowledge. Functional knowledge means what, where, which, when, and why. If you have questions, then it is a domain knowledge. If you are doing something like sales order, you are doing sales order, you are doing packing slip, you are doing customer invoice, purchase order, invoice, product receipt, invoice. So if you are doing, then why I need to do this one? What is the purpose? And in which situations this form I need to use and another form which I need to use. So you need to have domain knowledge or functional knowledge. That is first. Next, ERP concepts. ERP concepts means number sequences, fiscal calendar, ledger subledger concept, enterprise level concept. There are like many things you need to understand. Next, little technical knowledge. Little technical knowledge means exactly, suppose you are using mobile. If it is not working, what you will do? You will try to remove the cache, like unnecessary cache memory it is there, then you will try to remove that one. If it is not working, you will try to restart your mobile. Even if you are using a laptop, you will try your level best with a little knowledge. You are not expert in repairing this mobile or laptop. You should have a little bit knowledge if you are using that one. That's what I'm discussing here. Little technical knowledge means radio button, tab, fast tab, text, checkbox, drop down, small things, terminologies you should know. Next, how to operate Dynamics F&O. So how to use this application is also important. So many people think like if I know how to operate, I can get a job. This is around 30 to 40% only. If you know how to operate, that will not help you to opposite person. The major important is this one. 50 to 60% knowledge on this area is most important, because if you are a functional consultant, Dynamics F&O functional consultant, you need to speak with the opposite person. If you are a technical consultant, you need to work with the system and you need to resolve the issues. But whereas if it is a functional people, you need to discuss with your business people, you need to discuss with the developer, you need to discuss with your internal team. There are a lot of discussions is required. So functional knowledge or domain knowledge is most important if you want to learn any ERP, not only Dynamics, whether it is SAP, whether it is Oracle apps, or whether it is any ERP, you need to understand all these things. Okay, next, some interview techniques. And one more thing, if you want to learn finance, you need to have commerce knowledge. Okay, these all things are required if you want to become a functional consultant. So all these skills will be covered in my training. All these things will be covered in my training. It will not be separate task. Whenever I'm providing, I will concentrate on all these things. But if you want to get a job, you need to have education qualification. Education qualification, any degree or any like master's degree or bachelor's degree, any degree. Next, a good communication skills. Opportunity in the market. And practice with the system. These are in your scope. I have taught excellent, but you are not practicing anything. What I can do? If you are not able to speak with the opposite person, with the interviewer or with the business people, then you are going to fail. So these are in my scope. These are in your scope. Okay. So I have given clear picture like what is the my scope, what I am going to cover in my teaching, and what is required you need to maintain all these things. Fine. So what are the modules available in the system? Let me open. Fine. So till now it is 74 batches completed. Okay. So I'm providing training from last 8 years. Of course, not for Visual Path. I worked for different institutes. Now from last 2.5 years, I'm working for Visual Path. Earlier, I worked in different institutes. Okay. So I have provided training more than 400 employees till now. So now, what are the modules? Finance, logistics, that is trade and logistics. These two batches I will teach regularly. Finance means general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash and bank, fixed assets, budgeting. 6 modules. Tax and consolidation. Tax and consolidation is a part of general ledger. Actually, it is separated in D365. And credit collections is a part of ER. All these things, all this will be covered in finance. Okay. I'm making you mute who is unmuted. Saroj. Okay. So in another 5-10 minutes, I will stop. Then you can ask me if you have any questions. Fine. So, and then trade and logistics means sales and marketing, procurement and sourcing, product information management, inventory management. Okay. So if you are joining for T&L, I will touch up little bit about manufacturing, not much. And I will touch up related to warehouse management, advanced warehouse management, transportation management. What is this? I will explain you a little bit, not complete teaching. And for T&L consultant, you need to learn little bit about finance, little. Those also it will be covered. So for T&L, majorly this is the 4 modules, and along with these 4 modules, you are going to learn little bit about manufacturing. What is this manufacturing process? High level inputs I will give you, and this I will give you high level and high level. Of course, I'm not expertise in detail. I'm not going to teach anything. This warehouse management and transportation management and landed cost, separate batches will be there, not now. Once you are become a student, at that time, after that, I can teach this one separately, and I can teach this also, but not this is, so I can make myself sure like this is around 95% expert. I will not make like 100% because I too don't know many things. 95%. This is also around 90% to 95%, and this is around 85 to 90%. I'm expert in this area, and I'm expert in project management accounting also. Of course, PMA is changing drastically in different functions differently. There is a new module introduced by Microsoft, project operations. Project operations is another new module introduced recently. Of course, this may be changed, but it is currently it is there, but this may be changed in maybe in a couple of years it may be changed. Okay, so manufacturing I know around 60 to 70%, but I will give you, I have given training for 1 to 2 batches, not more than that, but that too, whoever is joining for this one, I'm just teaching this one, because to be frankly, I'm not expert in this product. I'm expert in product, but not in the domain. As I told you, domain knowledge is most important. Domain knowledge. So in this manufacturing, I'm expert in product, but not in domain, because practically I have not worked in the manufacturing industry. Like I have implemented for manufacturing industry, being a finance consultant and logistics consultant. Manufacturing consultant is another person will be there, my colleague, he will take care. So I'm not expert in domain knowledge, but I'm expert in product knowledge. So there is a difference. Product knowledge means this one, how to operate. How to operate. Domain knowledge means why we are doing, what is the purpose you are doing. Everything you should know. Okay, so fine. So currently I'm teaching now this finance batch and T&L. These two I'm teaching from last more than 8 to 9 years. Some of the students, my students are in a like a top position, even they crossed my salaries. 8 years back, whoever learned from me, they crossed my salaries. Of course, I'm interested in product. I don't want to become a delivery manager kind of thing, or managers, delivery managers. Of course, designation wise, I'm a manager in a company, but I will not be interested in people management. I'm not going to, otherwise my friends are some delivery managers, some project managers. But if you are going to become a people management, then it will be you are away from the product. You will not learn the product. But I love product a lot. That is the reason I'm working with the product a lot. Even though it is a designation wise, I'm a manager. So in another 5 minutes, 2 minutes, I will complete it. 6 to 7 and 7 to 8. These are the batches, AM, IST. One is T&L. Usually this is T&L and this is finance. If many people are asking vice versa, I will change. This may be finance and this may be T&L, but in general, this is the timings, and it is Monday to Friday, Monday to Friday. It is 8 to 10 weeks. Minimum 8 weeks it is required, and it may be 10 weeks or plus or minus may be extended. End date I will not give at any point of time. I will not give any end date promise, because if people are asking many questions, it will be extended. The course will be extended. Even if it is extending to 3 months also, no issues for me, but I will not give any end date commitment. I'm giving a clear picture. This is the tentative timings. Okay. So while learning, you need to learn first happy paths. Happy paths means positive scenarios. Positive scenarios. Next, you need to learn negative scenarios. Negative scenarios means do mistakes and correct it. That is also most important. First, positive scenarios, happy paths is for to get confident on yourself, like you are working this application. Negative scenarios means clients or business users will get some errors, and you need to resolve that one. That is your main role. And while teaching, I will teach first transactions, then masters, then setups and configurations, then company creation, sample company creation. Then you need to map this one. Next, you need to map masters. Then you need to learn transactions. My way of teaching like this. So actually in real time scenario, being a finance consultant or logistics consultant, you are not going to do a transaction. I have total 21 years of experience in Dynamics AX. I have 12 to 13 years, almost 12 to 13 years. Okay, but I never posted any single transaction in the production. In the live server, I never did a transaction, because I will not do this one. This is business people, they will do it. But why you need to learn? Because you are going to support these people. You need to support, or you need to give clarifications to the business people. Then you need to understand the transactions first. Then you need to understand masters. Then you need to understand setups and configurations. So first you will learn transactions, next masters slowly, and then setups. Then after some period, I will start company creation process and setups and configurations and masters and transactions. Okay, every topic is real-time scenario only. Real time, many people will question like real-time scenario. Real-time scenario means this one only. Every topic, whenever I'm going to discuss, I will explain the domain knowledge. Means in the business, what happened, I will explain the product. Suppose cash discount, I have taken one cash discount as a one setups and configurations. So cash discount means what is that? In the business people, why they will use? What is the purpose of that using that function? First, I will explain on the notepad. Once it is explained, I will open the paint brush. I will try to explain on the paint brush also. Then I will speak, and then only I will go to the application. This is the application. We can go application and we can see the application. So everything will be in real-time scenario. It is kind of sample project. This is a kind of sample project you are going to learn. Okay, these are the things, my way of teaching. Now tell me, anyone, please unmute yourself. You can ask me many questions. Whatever you have. Yes, please.
Yeah, hi Satya. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, I have already 6 to 7 years of experience in another domain,
Okay.
and I already just done with the course from another institute, and because of lack of practice, and I'm again going through this course. My question is like you are giving a complete I mean the training from scratch, or only just the transactions, or like that? Because I just went through your video, I mean your session in YouTube. There you just start like purchase orders and some transactions. So like number sequences and everything you are teaching, or just like a overview you are giving?
No. See, that's why I told you in the very demo, like it will be focus on this one. This is not your task at all. Am I right? If you learn transactions, what you can do? You cannot do anything being a functional consultant. Am I right? Your role is this one.
Yeah.
Your role is this one. You need to learn this one. If you want to learn this one, you need to learn this. That is the reason you are learning. So I will tell you frankly, if I speak, many institutes, they will focus on this one and they will ask you to leave, the session is over. I know this one, many institutes, but that will not help you to become a functional consultant. It is, your role is this one, not a transaction. You need to learn this one first. Make sense, Vishnu?
Yes, Satya. Yeah.
So that is the reason for me, many people are joining in a batch. More than 20 people are joining. The reason behind it is different from some other institute to me. There is a major difference. Yes, please. Anyone?
Satya, this is Lakshman. So what opportunities now in the market?
Sorry?
May I know the opportunities?
Okay, so opportunities means if you have with 2 to 3 years of experience, with by my teaching, you are going to gain almost 2 to 3 years of experience knowledge. Okay, with this one in the market, you are getting 6 to 8 lakhs. People are getting with 2 to 3 years of experience, people are getting around 8 lakhs. Around 5 years, guys. 5 years, guys, they are getting around 10 to 15 lakhs. This is the current market I'm telling you. Of course, I saw some people with 5 years, they are getting 20 lakhs. I don't want to give you like exception cases. Okay, so this is the market trend as per my knowledge, and around 8 to 10 years, guys, they are getting about 20 lakhs. Please. So there is a huge demand nowadays from last more than a year. It is huge demand in the market for particularly Dynamics 365 F&O. Whether I have given answer to your question or your question is different
Yeah,
from my.
yes, correct.
Any more, please?
Hi, Satya sir. Good morning.
Yeah. Good morning. Yes, please. Ganesh.
Ganesh, continue, please.
Yeah. Thank you, Magesh. Thank you. Hi, Satya. This is Ganesh. Actually, I am from a background of cost accountant, a qualified cost accountant, having 19 years of experience,
Okay.
and my domain is exclusively in costing, product costing, profitability analysis.
Okay.
And I'm having experience of 7 years in other ERP package like SAP as an end user.
Hmm.
Earlier little bit have some exposure in dynamics like bill accounting like that, but it is very I think it would be between 2 to 3 months only. So is it advisable to take this course, but I'm interested to work as a functional consultant in dynamics. Is it advisable from your point of view?
Definitely, because see, now in the market there is a huge demand for Dynamics. People are not available. That is the reason there is a migrations happening from accountants to finance consultants, and like you also people are joining and learning and getting, because suppose if I'm working as an accountant, my growth is very less.
Yeah,
My
sure,
growth is
yeah.
if I'm a finance consultant, definitely my growth is huge when compared with accountant knowledge. That is the reason, like you, the market demands like you people, because you can understand this application very fastly, because you have already plenty of domain knowledge, and you need to learn this one, and you need to apply your domain knowledge, this one, to this product.
Okay.
You can learn easily. You can learn easily, and when compared with SAP, Dynamics X, Dynamics F&O is a very easy application when compared with SAP. In SAP, There is a like, of course, benefits also there from SAP. I'm not denying, but at the same time, it is complex to learn. But Dynamics 365 you can learn very quickly, very user friendly. That is the one of the advantage to grow this product. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, another doubt is,
Yeah.
since I have been in costing profile, now you are going to teach about the functional course for finance module, no? So as I'm though I'm having some theoretical knowledge as I'm a commerce background, so does it helpful to for me to quick learning in finance functional module in Dynamics?
Definitely. So there are two options. One is finance, one is logistics. So if you want to become a costing expert, then the more scope is logistics with manufacturing, to be frankly.
Okay, okay,
Okay. But
okay,
if you can, like, the opportunities in the market is majorly for finance. Second priority
okay,
is logistics. Third
okay,
priority is manufacturing. Of course, suppose this is requirement is around 50 opportunities. I'm just giving you comparison. For
okay,
finance, the market demand is always around 50 to 60,
okay,
even though more. Okay. And
okay,
logistics, trade and logistics, it is around 30% or 35.
okay,
Okay. Manufacturing, maybe 5 to 10%. See, roughly I'm giving you. But even though
okay,
this 5 to 10% also not filling in the market, these two are filling by people. People are coming and joining, learning, and becoming a functional. But this is not filling. This is a very big gap. Opportunities are very less. That opportunities are also not fulfilling by consultants. The reason behind, you need to have domain knowledge. In this, of course, you need to have some production knowledge and as well as costing methods.
okay,
So initially you can focus this one, and later on, once, because getting into opportunity is required first. Once you got, you can target this slowly to this one, because this is a very rare skill who knows about casting methods.
okay.
Okay, so you can
So
focus
learning
initially.
of a yeah, you
Yeah,
continue. Yeah.
yeah. So that is my suggestion is try to focus on this one. If you have time and money, you can focus on both.
Okay,
Always two weapons. If you are getting into a battle, if you have two weapons, is more benefit than one weapon. All right.
okay,
So if you have time, first thing is time, and the second thing is if you have money, then I will suggest you to learn both. Once you are entered into this industry, IT industry, once you are focusing, then you can focus on this one. It is a rare skill. You can become a manufacturing consultant as well if you have more knowledge on costing, inventory costing.
okay.
Yeah. Of course, costing will be a
So
part costing will be taught in this one, and in this one, and in this one also. So finance and T&L consultants will learn some extent, but manufacturing consultant will have more depth on costing methodologies.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, please now.
So learning finance module is not a challenging one for me as a
No,
costing person.
nothing. Actually, I will tell you here, I have taught many people, even like 2-3 members out of 400 members, 2-3 members are, they have completed their 10th standard, and like degree they have completed through correspondence, and they
Okay,
also become finance consultants.
okay,
It's not a challenge to learn this application. The challenge is,
okay,
if you have only 10th standard, getting job opportunity is complex, because
okay,
you will not get opportunity if you have completed your 10th standard regular and degree is correspondence. Then companies know correspondence means there is no value for that certifications. Minimum like I mean to say, least priority for degree from distance education. Then Accenture, TCS, Infosys, these companies, they will not consider your profile. But in the market there are many companies, am I right?
yeah,
Just I'm
right.
telling you the qualification, but I think I don't think so, like you have completed your degree, am I right? Become.
Yeah, become and yeah, professional. Yeah,
then it is simple, nothing for you. It's very,
Okay.
very dead easy application. If it is
Okay,
suppose in
okay.
SAP, if it is in SAP, if you want to create a financial year from April 1st to 31st March, it will take minimum to minimum half an hour to 2 hours.
Okay.
But in Dynamics, it is 1 second or 2 seconds. That's it. So
Okay.
flexibility is more in Dynamics 365. Means easy application to learn.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any question?
Thank you,
Any
teacher.
more?
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, Magesh.
Satya sir, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
What are the topics from finance will be covered in T&L?
In T&L, it will be like this one. If you want in detailed, you can approach institute. They will give you the course content. Actually, it is the
Okay.
course. Yeah, the course content is available in 2012, but not in D365. But on top of that, you are
Okay.
going to learn more a lot. But the course content will be shared with you. Institute, you can send an email and you can call them. They will give you the contents.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So, Satya, we have access to the videos, right?
Yeah. So recorded session will be provided to you. Like once the session is going on, after the completion of the session, it will be given. Like institute will arrange you recorded sessions to you. Okay, Lakshman.
Oh, hi Satya sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I am good. This is Saroj.
Yeah.
I am from a science background.
Mhm.
After completing my science in chemistry honors,
Mhm.
after that I have completed my MBA finance. After this,
Okay.
I have 3 years of experience in investment banking.
Okay.
That's like capital markets, equities,
Mm.
settlements, those area.
Mm. Okay.
So from this MB 300, MB 330 module, which is
Mm.
good for me.
Yeah. So see, I will tell you. Give me a second. So MB 310 is finance. This is finance. And MB 330 is trade and logistics. And MB 320 is manufacturing. Okay. If you don't have fear about debits and credits, whenever I'm teaching, I will give you the clarification on, like in this commerce knowledge also, I will teach about debits and credits. If you are not fear about this one, if you are not fear about debits and credits, I will suggest you to learn finance. Some people, whenever they are studying, then they will fear about debits and credits, confusion mind. If you are in such a way that, then you can choose for this one, trade and logistics 330. Okay, 310 is not a complex, but the problem is, suppose if you take an elephant will be tightly packed to this, I mean to say, in circus. They will not, that elephants will not be like restricted to with grass also. If you look at this one, in this elephant also, actually this is a very big one. If she or he can go out, whatever you want. But if you are packing with a small tree, I mean to say, this can be part with grass also. Am I right? Can you?
Yes, I can see.
Yeah, people are. So now see, this can pull the trees also, but this will be I mean to say what we have to speak actade antar Telugulo. That can be done with the grass, with small grass also. The reason behind, whenever the elephant is child, this will be tightly caught by a grass thread, so that it will think like I cannot move outside if it is some tightly handled. I mean to say, right. So my intention is, whenever you are a child or whenever you are studying your education, at that time, what fear about debit and credit. You are already fear about debits and credits, then you cannot learn this finance. If you are confident, I will teach this one debits and credits also. But if you are fear about this one, go with logistics. If you are
Sir, we
confident
are
about,
unable to hear due to
yeah,
noise.
I think Saroj, if you don't mind, can help. I think yeah. So if you want, you can speak, Saroj, no issues. So the thing is, like, if you are clear about debits and credits, or I'm going to teach this one debits and credits. If you are confident, you can proceed. I will tell you one example. One of my friends are there, few friends, they are fear about mathematics. They are fear about mathematics. Even though if you teach very smoothly and very clearly, they cannot understand. If your mindset is like that, go with logistics. No, I don't have any fear about debits credits, then try to learn finance. Yeah, Saroj, is it clear to your other half?
Yes. I think I need to revise and practice something, few things like account receivables and those things. Okay. One more question. After if I do this like finance module, 300 MB, my shift timing will be how? Like morning shift or like that is one issue for me.
So what is your working hours?
Currently, I'm working US shift. I don't want this US shift in my life. I want to make one application. I should work on day shift. So
Okay, I
night I can
understand.
take rest. At least.
I
From
can
last
understand, but
2 years, yeah,
yeah,
last
yeah,
2 years I'm working constantly US shift. Else we are working for global financial market.
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah, I understood. But see, I will give you the, because the training sessions will be this one only, because I am also working employee. So after 9:30 or 9:30, 10 o'clock, I need to start my working hours in my company, and up to night, maybe 9 o'clock, maybe 10 o'clock, I'm working. So like other than these timings, it is not possible. So in the market, if you are looking for opportunity in the market, definitely day shifts also you will get it. But you need to struggle now, because you may be finishing your like your job maybe around morning 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. Then you need to stress more. You need to take stress, and you need to learn this one. So
yes,
timing,
after learning, like,
yeah.
yes, that I'll manage that one.
Yeah.
After suppose I have done finance module, my
Mhm.
job timing how will be?
So majority it is if you are in support, it may be 9:30 to 6:30. If you are working for day shift, there are day shifts also, and another shift in the market is maybe 12 to 9 p.m. It is Europe shift, and of course in the US shift also it is there. Generally, I'm just telling you 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. Sorry, 6:30 to 3:30 a.m. It is in the market it is there. It does not mean like you are going to get which shift, that is you can choose. There is an option,
Okay.
an
Okay,
option.
if I will, okay, this is for finance. If I will learn trade and logistics,
Not finance, T&L or nothing. No, it is not for finance, it is not for T&L, it is not for this one. This is whenever you are interviewing, whenever you are getting interview, at that time you need to choose the company perfectly. Like, I don't want to work on the night. You can inform the company. Based on that, it can proceed. Understood, Saroj?
Yes.
It is not in my
Hi,
control.
sir.
Control. It is where you are going to join the company. That company will decide you whether you are going to work on day shift or middle shift or night shifts.
Okay. So now I
Okay.
have done my mindset. I will learn trade and logistics fast.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi Satya, good morning.
Yeah. Good morning.
Sir, I have one doubt. We can here practice that hands-on experience for that user ID and password also providing, sir.
So that application access, there are things. One is if you have a laptop, get it installed in your system by paying small amount of money.
Okay.
You can get it installed in your laptop, in your own laptop. This is the first priority. Priority
Okay.
one. If you don't have, of course, laptop, you have laptop,
How
but
much
it is,
RAM is required for that?
Yeah, I have, sir.
it is 12 GB to 16 GB.
Okay. Hi, sir.
Yeah. So just give me 2 minutes. Let me finish. Next one is there is option like temporarily some like a demo, a kind of link is there. This demo link I will provide you temporarily. It will be refreshed 4 hours. In every 4 hours, it will be refreshed. It is temporarily you can use it. The best option is this one.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, fine.
Hi,
Yeah,
sir.
someone else. Yes, please. Yeah,
Hello.
yeah. Santosh?
Yeah. Actually, one of my friend told me that whenever we involve any new implementation, they will give a fresh application. We need to configure from scratch.
Yes.
So
yes.
with this course, is it possible to configure the entire whole system like F&O and T&L by using this course? Is it possible or?
You need to do.
Yeah, is
Sample.
it possible to configure the system with this course?
Yes, it is required. It is because your role is this one only, am I right? As I told you,
Yes,
this
sir.
is your
I'm asking.
No,
Yeah. So whenever
Satya,
you give
earlier my
give
question
demo
was
on
the same thing.
application,
yeah. So tell me,
so
yeah,
you will
someone.
give some already some test data is there, right? On that you will give a demo, right?
But actually, see, I will give you the if it is not available, what happens, what is available by default, what is not available, I will discuss with you. So here in ERP concept, there is enterprise level concept,
Okay.
enterprise level data or shared data. So I will give you this one, and what are the concepts by default it is available. I will explain you. Okay, suppose startup account. Startup accounts is available. If you want, you can create a new one. Am I right? So I will explain you
Yes, sir.
what is available by default, what is not available, what is you need to create. All these things will be covered in this one. So chart of accounts, it is not available. It is available by default. If you want, you can create a new chart of accounts. Fiscal calendar, it is available. But if you want, you can create. So those things I will cover. I will assume like first you will find like if you have taken a license, fresh license, you will find only DAT company, only DAT company. You will not find any. In that you will find currencies and countries. Country master will be available by default. Microsoft will provide you, and currencies will be provided by Microsoft. Apart from that one, nothing will be there in the system. And I will explain you one by one what it is required. If it is a database, new database, what it is required one by one. And even it is available means it is shared data. That is the reason it is showing. But I will explain you one by one.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So you mean to say, Satya, for example, like vendor setup and everything will be covered from scratch, right?
Yes, yes, it is required. It is required.
No, my question is like as
Everything,
the
everything,
previous
like
person spoke.
everything, like the company creation, and then
Okay.
purchase order creation, invoice, sales order creation, invoice, check returns, deposit slip cancellations. All these things you need to learn in the new company, and fixed asset setups. That is a new company.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So
that is the
number sequences also.
everything. Because if it is a new company, number sequences also will not be there. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You have to do it, everything. So those things will be covered. That is the reason I told you transactions is not the main criteria. Your role is this one.
Okay. So and one more quick question. So you will help us for the interviews as well after the course, or that has to be taken care by us?
So that actually like job assistance, I will discuss with you one to one. I cannot give you guarantee on this one, but I will give you separate help. But it is not like this. I'm not going to help you in these things. I'm against to proxy calls. I'm against to proxy calls. I don't do this one. But if you want, I can guide you something
No,
else.
no,
Yeah.
no, Satya. I think you took it in in a wrong way. Not the proxy. I'm speaking like, for example, if I'm working in DXC technology from the past 5 years, so now I am new to the product Microsoft Dynamics. Okay.
Okay.
Now in
Okay.
this scenario, which one is better for me to go? Like, functional consultant or support consultant, or like, business analyst, like that. So and for resume preparations also, how should I go ahead with the specific role? So like that.
So there are things. One thing is like, if you prepare your resume, I can verify and I can guide you, suggest you. I can suggest you,
Okay.
but
Okay.
I will not do on behalf of you. I will not do preparation of resumes because I cannot. I don't have that much time to these things. Okay, I can give you guidelines on this scenario, but not teaching. So teaching and guidelines is different. Am I right? I can give you guidelines. And after completion of the course, if you want a one-to-one support, then for USA or abroad country people, they will approach me and they will ask my help. I will, whatever they have questions, they will collect, and at the end of the day they will approach me. So I will provide the training, but this is 2000 rupees, 2500 rupees per hour I will charge per hour. I can give you clarifications on your project support.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, 1 second, just give me whether I have given answer. If you want more details on like job profile kind of thing, you can approach institute and you can ask the okay, I can discuss with you one to one. Okay, more
Okay.
details.
Yeah. So, and regarding this process, like everything, you will provide any notes or material like that, or just a recorded videos?
Recorded videos on notepads, and see the course content, whatever I'm teaching to remaining people, I'm just showing you. So like PDFs and some Excel files, something if it is required, notepads. And if you really want, AX 2012 course content is there. I will share with you that one. And if you want really the course content, you need not to wait for something. Simply you can type anything, any topic, and D365 if you type any topic with the D365, then you will find the docs.microsoft.com. If you go to docs.microsoft.com, download PDF. No need for waiting for me. You can go to this download PDF. The entire course content will be downloaded. The entire ERP. Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
You can download from here. No need to wait for me. Yeah, someone is speaking. Yeah, please. I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
So you have provided any certification regarding this course?
Certifications, I can guide you on these things. I can guide you. That also you can, once you learn from me and you can approach me one-to-one, I can guide you.
Okay, sir. One confusion regarding hello.
Yeah.
So I have done MBA in marketing and my bachelor degree in finance. So
Okay.
I'm difficulty to choose module.
So that's what, see, even you have completed your like a BCom or whatever degree, but if you are don't have fear about debit and credit, if you don't have debit and credit, learn finance. And if it is possible, try to learn both together. Or if you are fear about debits and credits, go with T&L. Okay.
No, I've already learned finance in bachelor and I also cover some topic in master degree, 1 to 2nd semester.
Okay.
So it's not difficult. And I
That's
also in finance.
Yeah, that's what. If you are confident finance, like you can learn finance. That's what I'm telling you. The first priority is always finance demand is in the market is high, and you can learn this one. No issues. Yeah, finance is the first priority. Yeah.
So is it very difficulty to get the opportunity to get the job as a fresher in present?
Freshers opportunities is always in the market is a little bit less. Of course, it is there, but less opportunities are less when compared with experienced people.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Sir, this is Ravi.
Yeah, Ravi.
Sir, for mechanical engineers, which one is good, sir?
So then it is better to go with the first logistics, trade and logistics.
Okay.
Once you learn, if you are confident and even if you are confident about the product, you can learn this also later on. So try to focus this one and get an opportunity, get an opportunity and then try to learn finance. Or only T&L, you cannot survive longer period. Once you are becoming, once you are a big, expert in T&L, either you need to become manufacturing or this one or this one or this one. This will not grow a lot.
Okay.
Hi Satya, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, I have 6 years of
Yes, please. Yes, Rekha. I think a lot of resonance came.
Yeah.
Yeah. Proceed.
I'm fresher.
Okay.
But I have 6 years of 6 years of gap.
Okay.
So I have 2 years teaching experience. So
Okay.
any job?
So see, it's not like job. It is your passion to interest.
Yeah.
You are a passionate in IT industry. Definitely, it's not a tough job. And can I know like your qualification, education qualification?
BTech.
BTech. Okay. So it is if you are a BTech graduate and then it is better to learn this one.
Okay.
Logistics.
Okay, Satya.
Yeah.
So can we learn without finance without finance module trade and logistics?
Yes. There is a market demand for this also.
Is there any integration between those?
Yeah, I will
trade
cover
and
this one.
logistics.
So I will cover these topics to both. So, and I forgot to explain this in this, whenever I'm teaching here, I told you like this 6 to 7 and 7 to 8 batch, almost 1 week to 10 days, I will combine together. Both batches to be combined together. Means whoever is joining for finance, they need to join at 6 o'clock, 6 to 8. And whoever is joining for finance also, they need to join 6 to 8. Whoever is joining for T&L, they need to extend to 6 to 8 for these batches almost 1 week to 10 days. The reason behind, whenever I'm teaching this common course, the common concepts, at that time both teams should be there. The intersection will be taught to finance and T&L together. This is around 1 week to 10 days. So I need your cooperation. So in the middle of the weeks, I'm going to combine batches together 6 to 8, around 7 to 8 days. Yeah. Yes, please. Yeah.
Provide any project after completion in this course? Will you provide any like that sample project?
So that's
end-to-end implementation.
I'm going to teach in this one. That is project. You need to prepare yourself. So if in the resume, if you are looking for in the resume project, that is your task. But this is I'm going to teach in the course content. That is one of the tasks.
Okay. So will you explain the real-time scenario, how it is like?
Everything I will take real-time scenario only. So real-time scenario means this one. So that's why I told you I will not focus on this one first. This is the first important. I will explain the notepad more than 30-40 minutes. Then I will show in the system 15 minutes. So that is the reason the majority percentage I'm giving here, not this one. This is how to operate.
Hello. Yes. Do we need any additional knowledge required for that, like SQL something to retrieve data something?
To learn this one, I need your 10th knowledge. That is enough for me. No need of server. No need of SQL server. Okay.
Hello. Hi, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
I have functional knowledge in trade and logistics.
Okay.
Currently, I'm end user of D365.
Okay.
So, can I go for trade and logistics or finance?
So, to be frankly, openly, if I speak, SCM, like if you are an end user for logistics, then you know almost 40-50% of this subject.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So maybe a 30-40% subject you need to learn. So that is your wish. You can try with your end user knowledge. You can showcase like I'm a support consultant, and you can try yourself.
Okay.
Okay. No need to join for my course. Also, you can attempt for job opportunity because for logistics. But if it is a finance, you need to learn because finance has so many setups need to be configured.
Right. Okay.
But for this one, majority are transaction data, and whenever you are doing transaction data, you will touch setups as well.
Okay.
So as per my knowledge, around you may have knowledge around 60 to 70%, 60% or 70%. You can try with that knowledge. You can showcase like I'm a support consultant for logistics, and you can try for the opportunity. If you are getting challenges, your wish, you can join this one.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, I think someone else is speaking. Ravi, whether I have given answer to your question, Ravi?
Sir.
Yeah. Yes, please. Yeah, got it.
Mr. Satya?
Yes. Yogesh, tell me.
Mr. Satya? Yeah, I don't have knowledge on cost management.
Okay.
Will it be a hurdle for me?
It's not required. I told you 10th standard is enough for me.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Satya.
Okay, fine. Mamata, I will speak with you one-to-one, no issues. You are my student, you are my direct contact. I know. You are Shravan's wife, am I right? So I will call you one-to-one, no issues. Mamata. Fine.
Yeah, I have only one question.
Yes, please. Yeah.
So after doing this like 2 month course, If like after getting this Microsoft certificate, it will take some time, no? Before getting the certificates, can I get job?
Yes. So in India, if you are looking for in India, it is not mandatory to clear the certification. It's not mandatory. But if you have certification, it is an additional advantage. But it is not mandatory if you are in India. But if it is, if you are looking for opportunity in abroad countries, they will look for certification.
సేమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఐడితోనే ఇవ్వమని చెప్పి చెప్తాను.
ఆల్రెడీ జాబ్
I'm
Cost
sorry.
of certificate. How much cost of the certificate?
That is actually outside. It is not to me. You are going to pay to the Microsoft. It is $80 US dollars.
Okay.
Yeah, hi Satya. What about functional design documents that we need to provide, right? If we get a job
So
as a
in the
functional design
training, one of the topic is implementation methodology. I will discuss with you on that one. A sample, not in depth, a sample like information I will share with you, like functional FRD, FDD, and the skills I will discuss with you. Okay, but with a sample data, not a complete course, sample data. Yeah.
Okay.
The finance consultant, we will collect that requirements, or BA people will collect the requirements?
That depends
They will
actually. So yeah, so there are 4 roles always. One is business analyst, BA. Next one is implementation consultant. Another one is support consultant. So the roles in the market is huge for these two, not this one. This is very few. Sometimes being implementation consultant, I need to do documentation also, very rarely. But business analyst role is differently at different. I mean to say, if you are communications wise, if you are expert, then you can become a business analyst in this one. But major market roles are implementation consultant, support consultant, and some other role is like pre-sales activity also. Pre-sales, and sometimes test engineer. These remaining all are rare, but majorly in the market the demand is for these two.
Okay, but my question, like, it's a who will gather that requirements? Are BA or functional
Actually,
consultant people?
That's what I'm telling you here. If it is a big organization, definitely there will be a business analyst separately. If it is a big organization, if it is a small implementations, because I will tell you, I'm a functional consultant in 2008 and 2009 with a small company in India company. At that time, I worked as these two together.
Okay.
But nowadays it is not a small company. At that time it is AX 2009, the oldest functionality. But now, after that, it is now D365 means it is a very big organization only. They will go with this one. Then definitely, as per my knowledge, business analyst will be there as separate with little knowledge about. I mean to say, some knowledge of dynamics and more knowledge in communication skills, because documentation is most important. But sometimes being a functional consultant also, implementation consultant also, I played this role, but I'm not expert in this area at all. I know some extent, but I'm not expertise. Like I'm not a in terms of communication skills, I'm not expert. I'm good at dynamics. I'm good at communication skills, but I'm expert.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Mr. Satya.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Magesh, tell me.
Satya, I'd like to have a call with you. Is it possible?
Sorry.
One-to-one call. One-to-one
Okay.
call with you. Is it possible?
Once the course is, once this session is over, you can check with institute.
Okay.
They will arrange you one-to-one call.
Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
You can have, if you have you shared your number to institute.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, fine. If you shared, then they will arrange you a conference call.
Okay.
Anything else? Anyone, please?
So, Satya, are we going through this test scenarios as well?
Specific scenarios means I did not understand.
No. Test scenarios, because when we are going through the implementation phases, we need to do some functional testing also, right?
No. Testing scenarios I'm not going to cover. If you're asking any doubts, clarifications, I can give you, but I'm not going to teach you all those things. Because testing is completely different, am I right? Use cases and I know that one, use cases and this how to create and, but I'm not going to give you write down that one, but I'm explaining the use cases. I'm taking the topic and I'm explaining, means it is a use case, am I right? So I'm going to explain you, but I'm not going to make you mark like a document kind of thing, and I'm not going to provide those. Okay. Does it have given answer to your question? Hope it is clear. Yes, is there anything to discuss?
Hi Satya, will you cover this some in finance? Some statements are there, right? Balance sheet, cash flow statements, some kind of statements are there, right? I don't know exactly about that, because period closing, which are also important for the finance consultant,
Yeah.
right?
So year-end close.
Will you cover that?
Yes, year-end close is one of the process, and the trial balance definitely it will be covered.
Yeah, trial balance. Audit trial is also there, right?
So audit trial is not important. It's not a big. It's not a module to learn that one. Audit trial.
Yeah.
It's not a module. It's a small thing information that is not a much important. If you want, I will give you clarifications. So if you look at the audit trial, it is only 3-4 forms are there, not more than that. It is not a module at all. It was given as a module, but it is not much. So if you want, I will give you clarifications. But the main focus is these modules. 9 modules: general ledger, tax, consolidation, accounts payable, accounts receivable, credit and collections, cash and bank, fixed assets, budgeting.
Okay.
These are the major modules. Actually, it is 6 modules only, but in D365 it was separated as 3 modules extra. These are sub modules in AX 2012 previous version.
So trade and logistics and retail both are interlinked, right?
See, that's what trade and logistics is the minimum requirement for any module.
Okay.
If you want to become any functions, anything, T&L is the center part.
Okay.
Am I right?
So if I want to learn finance and trade and logistics, which one I have to learn first?
You can learn together in the first attempt itself. It's not an issue at all. So that is the reason I'm conducting both batches 6 to 7 and 78.
Okay.
You can learn both. If you have time, first one is time and second one is money. Better to learn both. Always, if you are getting into a battle, have a 2 weapons rather than 1 weapon.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Anything else, anyone, please? If nothing, then we can wind up the session. Please let me know if you have any question. Yeah.
Yeah, course duration for both the things, both trade and logistics and finance and operation, both the same.
Yeah, it will be like roughly it is 2.5 months.
2.5 months.
Roughly
every day 1 hour, 1.5 hour. How much time?
1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour T&L, 1 hour finance.
Okay. If you get any doubts, how to
the same
when you will?
No, it's not like separate. Suppose I'm teaching one thing, and if you have in your mind something is there, if you are not getting clearance, if you are not getting doubts cleared, how can you concentrate on the subject? Am I right?
Yes, correct.
So every day I will ask questions, and even if you stuck in the system, you can share your screen. I will make you presenter. You can share your screen. and I will explain. I will give the clarification on that. What is the issue and what is the solution.
Okay.
So you need to practice and come back to me. See, practicing the system. Whenever you're practicing the system, if you are getting error, then to whom you can ask? I'm the only one person, am I right?
Correct.
I need to give you clarifications. I need to explain you the issue, and I need to explain the solution. But until and unless that is a standard application. If it is a customized product, I can add. Am I right?
Okay. Yeah, sure. Correct.
That is, if it is a company environment, then it is a project support. That is different.
Yeah,
but if it is a standard application, I need to give you clarifications. I need to explain you. So in that, the major challenge is this one. I will explain this one time. You need to practice 15 to 20 times at least.
No.
And
Okay.
do mistakes, rectify yourself.
Okay.
So 15 to 20 times, whenever I will teach this one after 1 month, and this you need to practice every day one time. So many people, they will not do this one. And I want a job. So if I'm looking for a job, definitely I need to do this one, and you need to go through my video recording sessions, and you need to understand, and you need to practice with the system. If you're not doing, and at the end of the sessions, I need job, sir. What you can do? If you do practice, you can get the job in the market. There is a huge demand in the market.
Yeah, hi Satya,
Yeah,
this is Nitin.
Yeah, Nitin, please.
Yeah. As you told us, you are providing practical knowledge as well as theoretical knowledge in the session.
Yeah.
Also, I want to understand, are you providing any syllabus before we start the session?
So you can ask institute. Okay, they will give you the course content. The course content, of course, that is AX 2012, but it will be covered in D365, but not in 2012. But the course content is given to you in D365 in 2012. You can go through that course content. It will be covered. On top of that, you are going to learn a lot. Okay, Nitin?
Okay. And as a become a good finance consultant,
Yeah.
how much just my knowledge, how much time I need to do the practice on daily basis?
So initially 1 hour, maybe after 1.5 months, 2 hours, after one month or 1.5 months, 2 hours. In the last, after 2 months, you need to spend 4 hours a day at least. As I told you, this company creation process, you need to do every day one time.
Okay.
So initially 1 hour, later on after 1 month it is 2 hours. After 2 months, you need to spend 4 hours. That is enough.
Okay.
Hey,
And
hi
after,
Satya, Pramod here.
Yeah, Pramod.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Satya, I have one question. Can I?
Yeah, please.
Do you guys provide any placement assistant to us, or else you show any job openings in the companies so that we can
So
able to
Pramod, for that you can
understand?
discuss with institute. Institute will arrange a conference call with me. 1-to-1 I will discuss with you.
Okay. Sure, Satya. Thank you for the assistance.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
Satya, one more request. Could you please show me how that getting this subject in our Google? I think I have to.
Yeah. So you can type anything, any topic, anything, something like
Introducing balance.
suppose item model group, anything. This is one topic I'm typing. That's it. It's not like only one thing you need to type. Item model group, something. Then the first one is docs.microsoft. You can type docs.microsoft.com.
Okay.
Anything. You can type anything. Docs.microsoft.
Okay. I will
Any
check.
topic. Otherwise, customer account. You can type customer account. Docs.microsoft. You go to docs.microsoft. This one you will find this. Yeah, any more questions, please? Yes. Any more questions? So Naveen, if you are a friend of Mamata, then you can discuss with me directly. You will have my phone number. Naveen, if you are Mamata's friend.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Anything else? Anyone? So please share your mobile number. Okay, your mobile number or your email ID, anything is fine. So if you want any course content, institute will share with you the link. Okay, if you are not interested to share now, you can share with the institute later on also. So institute has provided a mobile number and contact email ID. It is kiranmayi.visualpath@gmail.com. Otherwise 970-4455-959. You can contact institute. Okay, already institute has typed the number. You can verify. Anything else, anyone, team? If nothing, then we can wind up the session today. Yeah, please let me know if anyone want to discuss anything. Still, if you have any doubts.
Sir.
Yeah, yes,
Hi.
please. Yeah.
Sir, what
Hi.
is about supply chain management module?
So actually, supply chain management is a big word. So 320 Microsoft, as per the Microsoft, it is as I told you, trade and logistics. This is called as SCM sometimes. This is also SCM.
Okay, so we compare FNO and SCM, which is better for future growth career?
So always the first high demand is finance. Okay, and next demand is these things in this area. Always the top demand is.
Sir, can't seeable your screen, very much small.
Oh, are you using mobile or laptop?
No, sir, laptop.
Laptop, then it should show very clearly.
Yeah, it's we are able to see it.
So sorry, sir. Zoom capacity is very low.
Okay, no issues. So finance is the always the demand is high in finance when compared with the trade and logistics and remaining modules. Always finance is the highest demand. Of course, this is also having demand, but this only trade and logistics you cannot survive. You need to learn along with the trade and logistics either warehouse management, transportation management, or manufacturing, or retail, or finance. Only trade and logistics will not help you for longer run. If you are working in a company, then company is required 3 consultants. One is finance, one is logistics, another one is manufacturing. Sometimes what they will do, only finance and manufacturing consultant will be there. T&L half will be shared to finance consultant, half will be shared to manufacturing consultant. They can run their business.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Any other questions, please? Okay, if nothing, then I'm stopping this here. Okay, so see you soon, very soon. See you all.